In this video, we will talk about the few stocks on which you should keep your eyes for the next few weeks. These are for the swing trading. So first one is a Blue Star, which this is on a monthly time frame. As you can see, from 2008 to 2021, it was touching the same resistance line. Look at here. First came it fall here, then again come to the same resistance line, again fall, then again went up, touch the line, fall, again went up. Here it didn't touch, again here fall due to the COVID, then again went up, touched the line, again fall. But it was this was the small fall, you can see. Now it has given a breakout. Okay, so we should keep our eyes on this. Let's see on daily time frame. So we can draw a support line here, something like this. Let's go on daily time frame. On daily time frame, it has given a successful breakout. Now it is retesting, right? So after from here, with the strong, you know, uptrend, we can enter into the stock somewhere around here. But wait for the pattern to form, then enter after a confirmation. So this is the first stock. Second stock, we will look for the Aditya Birla Fashion. So this is the second stock, which is Aditya Birla Fashion. On weekly time frame, you can see Aditya Birla Fashion is making a kind. There is no exact pattern, but it has broken a previous high. We can draw a resistance line here also. So we can draw this line also. This is also valid. So from here it went down, then it was just trading sideways for quite some time. Then this is a hold out to the coronavirus. Again it went up and just has given a breakout from the previous high. You can delete this also, or you can keep this also, depends on you. So now it is retesting here. Let's go on daily time frame. So this is on daily time frame, which is now retesting. So after a good consolidation or a strong, you know, retest, we can enter above somewhere here if we get a good chance, or if it trades somewhere here, so we can enter here also. It depends on how it trades, so you should keep your eyes here. One more thing you can do is just draw a line here, or you can enter after breakout of this resistance line. Yeah, breakout of this resistance line above this. Okay, so this was the second stock. Third stock is V-Guard Industries. This is the weekly chart of V-Guard Industries from 2017. Look at this. It came here, touch, from here it fell, again it went up, touch, again come down little bit, again went up, failed breakout, again came down, some kind of a sideways movement, again went up, but it didn't break up. Now given breakout, but again came down. Now it is forming a triangle pattern, or we can see the consolidation, right? So on weekly chart it is consolidating. On daily chart you can see it is a clearly a triangle pattern, which is a good sign, which is continuation pattern. So after breakout from here, somewhere here we can enter somewhere here with a good breakout or strong breakout. So keep your eyes on this also. Next stock is Bajaj Holdings and Investment. This is also a good stock which has given a good breakout. So look at this from here, 2017 it was continuously touching the same resistance line, right? After that, this is due to the corona fall. Again it went up very good. Now given a breakout also, and now it is consolidating after the breakout. So look at the selling is not that strong, right? So we can also look for this stock. So you can enter after this small channel pattern get broken. Okay, so look for the moment. If it is trading sideways, let it trade and wait for the breakout of this channel pattern. So this is all the uh, one stock. Next stock is Fortis Healthcare. So this is the weekly chart of Fortis Healthcare. Let me go on monthly chart. So look at this is the monthly chart of Fortis Healthcare from 2010. First touch, fall, again went up, sideways movement, second touch, fall. Now it has given a successful breakout on monthly chart. Let's go on the weekly chart. So look at this weekly chart, strong breakout, again retest here, and also it has given a breakout kind of a flag pattern here. Let's go on daily chart. So this is the daily chart of Fortis Healthcare. You can see Here is the kind of a channel pattern which is a continuation also. You can say a flag pattern. So it has given a breakout from here, but one more thing we can do, we can draw a resistance line this because high is important. Let's go on 1 hour charts. So this is 1 hour chart, this is daily chart. So you can probably enter above this here. Okay, uh, manage your risk as per your risk management. Don't take too much risk. So this is for this you should keep your eyes. Our next stock is Godrej Industries. The Godrej Industries is also looking quite well. This is the weekly chart of Godrej Industries. Look at this. From 2017, it was just falling, falling, falling. Right now, here it has taken no, given a breakout from the good pattern, went up. Here, here look at this given breakout here also, and it is just consolidating sideways for quite some time. On weekly chart, let's go on daily chart. On daily chart, you can see this kind of pattern which is look like symmetrical triangle, or you can say channel pattern. So it has also given breakout, but wait for some time, let it consolidate here also. We can also draw something like this. Yeah, this is also okay. So here are two entries you can enter. Let it come here, look for the some kind of reversal, then you can enter here with a small risk. One more point you will get for the entries after this breakout of this resistance line. Somewhere here you will get entry point somewhere here, so you can enter all here also. Okay, so this one is next stock is, this one will be the last stock, not last, there is one more, Nestle. The next stock is Nestle. The same pattern I saw on PA PGHH few months ago, okay, in which I traded also. So Nestle has made a good triangle pattern which has given a breakout also. Now here is the pullback, you can see a pullback. After pullback you can see a reversal also. So on daily time frame you can see after pullback, kind of pullback, it is respecting a resistance line here. So above this resistance line we can enter somewhere here. Your stop loss will be somewhere here. Then wait, target you can go something, you can keep your target here. One more thing you can do here is you can draw something like this also. So this will be your, you can do this also. So your entry will be after the breakout of this pattern. Okay, so this is another way you can trade Nestle India. Okay, and the next pattern chart is PSP project. This will be the last. So from look at this, from 2018 it was just touching the same resistance line again and again and falling, right? So if it gives breakout here, we can expect a good momentum from here, right? Now look at this, from before the breakout, here is a good consolidation on weekly time frame. Let's go on daily. So this is the daily time frame, is consolidating. So after breakout we can expect a good momentum from this stock also. Okay, so guys, I have a whole list of such stocks. Look at this, there are a lot of stocks which are available here. So I will share this whole list on Telegram channel. Okay, so on the link of the Telegram channel you will get in the description. Look at this, there are a lot of stocks available, even the uptake is available. Uptake, look at the chart uptake. So this is all for the today guys, thank you.